What I'm going to be installing today in our 2012 Lexus Rx350 is the new WeatherTech floor mats. I purchased these off Amazon Canada. The front two were around 150 plus tax, and the back floor mat was 130 plus tax. And again, these were through Amazon Canada. So one of the reasons why we purchased the WeatherTech floor mats, as you can see, you get a lot of dirt that goes around these floor mats, and these are the winter floor mats purchased through Lexus. And as you can see up in the corner, there's a lot of dirt. With the WeatherTech floor mats, they're molded, so they'll actually trap all the dirt and water. So what I'm going to do is get the old floor mats out, give it a good cleaning, vacuuming and whatnot, and we'll put the new ones in. And as you can see too, with the factory Lexus floor mats too, this is the rear. You can see how much dirt gets caught on the carpet around it. So at least with the WeatherTech floor mats, again, they're molded and they go straight across as one piece, similar to this, but they are molded. Again, they'll trap all the dirt and water. So to pop out your factory floor mats, they're held in with little hooks, so you have to pull them up and towards the rear of the car. And again, there's two for each front floor mat. And again, you can see how much dirt and debris gets caught on the carpets. So I'm going to remove the front driver's side and front passenger side, and we'll give it a good cleaning and vacuuming. And as you can see how high up they go on the side, and again in the center. Now these just came out of the box, so they will settle a little bit. As you can see, they're pulling up a little bit in the corner, but once they're out of the box for a little bit, they'll actually be a little lower and closer to the carpet. As you can see, that one looks a little popped up. But tomorrow, they'll be nice and flush. They'll actually go down a little bit more, just like that. And this is just taking a look at the driver's side. Again, you can see how high they come up on the sides. Normally you get a lot of dirt in here and up in the corner there. And again, you can use your factory hooks. It does come with another set of hooks in the kit. This is just taking a look at the passenger side. There you go. That was just a short video on unboxing my WeatherTech floor mats and installing them in a 2012 Lexus Rx350. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.